Hey guys, welcome back. So in today's video we're going to look at my delivery from DEK Designs. I've been waiting a little while for this one to come. I'm going to do a plan with me with the kit that's in here later this week. So you'll see that. So let's see. Alright, so this is the paper clip that was attached to the thank you sticker. This is totally going in my planner for Christmas. This is adorable. And the foil sticker sheet that came with it. It's always cute. Alright. And I still have my packaging, so there's the sticker that the paper clip comes attached to. And we don't need the box. So I ordered some stuff I probably normally wouldn't order. I didn't leave anything in here, did I? No. Okay. Package is empty. And I have to do this video before I do the next planner prep video. You'll see why. Okay, so I ordered, because I am always cold. These are so cool. Alright, so I ordered these stickers in, I think, every iteration you could get them. I'm pretty sure. So these say literally freezing, and these say so freaking cold, which I love. So those are in gold foil. These are in, oh, that one's in rose gold foil. And, I'm messing things up. Okay, these are in rose gold foil. This is in silver foil. This one's in silver foil. And then these are black. And these are black. So as you can see, I'm cold a lot. Like, I could literally put one of these down every single day from now until probably sometime in mid-March and not be lying that I'm cold. I'm always cold. And then in the summer, I'm always hot. Like, it's ridiculous. I'm just never comfortable. Okay, so the main thing from this order was this kit, which is called Alpine. This is gorgeous. So this is going to be a plan with me later this week for a January spread. So I'm going to put it up in December, but it's going to be January pages from one of my classic planners, just because I can't wait to use this. And it's not really Christmassy, so we're putting it in January. And I never have time to get my plan with me's up in time anyway, so this one will be early. So these are decorative boxes, and I love the sparkle on these, and they're like little snowflakes. They're so cute. They're really just adorable. So I really like this. Yes, there's someone's hand in that sticker. That's not an issue. And then there's the day covers, little flags. And then these are boxes or washi strips. Alright, so this is like a tiny washi strip, because these really look like washi strips. I could be crazy. Hold on. Nope, they're washi strips. Okay, so these are really cool. I like these. So you get like a short one, and then the longer ones, and then does this do that too? No, and then these are just longer ones. So 2 short pieces, 2 shorter pieces, 2 longer pieces. I've put them like on the bottom of spreads. I put them on the back. There's people. And so there's like decorative flags, scallop header things, round scallop header things, bow dividers, a bunch of stickers that say work. Bunch of decorative stuff. So there's like wolves and gloves and chairs. It all matches the stuff you see in here. Little bits of pine, cut wood. It's really pretty. And then you've got the boxes, habit trackers, pretty much every size box. So there's like header boxes, half boxes, decorative ones that with space to write in, habit trackers, and then little quarter boxes. And then these are 3 heart, so they're like checklists, but the check boxes are hearts. So these are all 3s. And then there's this box with the clipboard and the Monday through Sunday. And then this, I think, is the longer checklist, right? This one should be 5. There's 6. This one's 5. So that's cool. And then we've got the boxes with the holographic foil on top of them. And our words down here. So Walmart, shopping list, hump day, social media, happy mail, movie night, Target run, tidy up, laundry, payday, plan, and errands. And then we get some more headers over here. Today to do, meals, exercise, work this week. We've got these decorative sparkly boxes. They're very small. They're like really like little like quarter box header strip kind of deals. So they're cute. You can just toss them in places. And then more 3-heart checklists over here, some decorative flags over here, and the weekend banner. And then this kind of scalloped to go with your weekend banner, or wherever you want. And in case I forgot them, there are date dots with that too. So I'm going to do a plan with me for January during Christmas week, because I can and I want to. Alright, and then this stuff is from what they call Color Club. So this is where they have kits, but you can order, like you can't order the whole kit, you just order whatever pieces you want. So I ordered 2 of some things. So like with just this page, I've got 4 weeks of day covers in different fonts and colors, and then there's 30 date dots, 31 really, and a blank. And then I got 2 of these decorative boxes because I didn't know if one would be enough for me to do more than one spread. Oh, and all of these are size vertical long, which is the size for a classic happy planner, which you could also use in a big happy planner, but the other sizes are for things like Hobonichi something and another Hobonichi thing. I don't know. They're for planners that I don't use, so I don't understand those sizes, which is why I'm stuttering and sound kind of stupid, because I plain don't understand them. But I did figure out that the vertical long is the one for the classic happy planner. So these are somewhat decorative boxes. There's a lot of small little quarter box headers, pretty much, and then there's these half boxes. What the heck? Alright. I don't know if you guys can hear that or if just I can hear that, but my neighbor has like a chainsaw or something going, and that's very loud. Okay, so anyway, got all these boxes. These scalloped banners. These are fun for hanging off of boxes. And let's see. Got this one, the weekend banner, and the scallop for the weekend banner. Habit trackers, Monday through Sunday. This is a washi strip, which I thought was really cute. Quarter boxes, half boxes, more quarter boxes, scalloped headers, day off stickers, decorative stickers, a lot of little work laptops, and then I got 2 sheets of the, like, I guess these are these are 2 different ones. So I got 1 sheet of half boxes and 1 sheet of half boxes. Are these quarter? These aren't really quarter boxes. I don't know. You guys know I'm bad with the sizes, so if you want to correct me, please feel free, because I'm constantly getting them wrong. They are small boxes. They are not full boxes. I know what full boxes look like, and after that, I'm confused. I just put the stuff on the paper. I try not to get too technical with it. I like to make pretty things that's, you know, functional pretty things, and that's pretty much where we end up with that. So this is what I got. These are going to be in a plan with me for January pages that will be coming out later this week, and it is Christmas week, so today is the Sunday before Christmas. So if, you know, you get sick of your relatives and just want to sit down and watch some planning YouTube, there will be videos for you to watch. I'm probably not going to plug them on Instagram on Christmas or Christmas Eve. Maybe Christmas Eve, definitely not Christmas. So just, you know, check out the channel if you get bored, and they're here for you. If you don't celebrate Christmas, they'll be here for you. And if you do celebrate Christmas, they'll be here after Christmas because it's YouTube and they're not going anywhere. Alright, so one last thing to tell you guys. We have a discount code for DEK Designs. If you put Cordelia15 in as a coupon code, you will get 15% off of your order for everything that is eligible. So there are Sunday special kits, which are not eligible. The subscriptions are not eligible. And the Wednesday free kit with purchase is not eligible. I think you can use the coupon code, but you still have to meet the minimum like after the coupon. So it's Cordelia15, and then if you also put Cordelia in the comment section, you get like some kind of little extra sticker sheet like this. I don't know what that looks like yet, but if I see it, I'll let you know. So anyway, I'm going to be posting ads on Instagram for DEK Designs, and you guys get a discount code, so works out for everybody, right? So that's it for this video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, share it with a couple of your friends, and I will see you in the next one.